Hello, welcome to Soul Baker the YouTuber. Today we're going to learn how to rekey this Kwikset Pismo Say Nickel doorknob. And as you can see, I got my doorknob right here. It's a smart key tool. Here's the keys. Usually the keys work like this. Yep, it works because so it's locked. And now that's the unlock position. And if you want to rekey it, you can insert the working key in. Turn to the right. Now get your smart key tool. It's from Kwikset. You push it. Share click. And then you take out the key. And when you put the new key in, and I think it's 55462. Yeah, that's the new code. Now this key works. Hold on. Bit of us. Get out. Oh my god. There we go. Now this key works. And with our default keys, they don't work anymore. They don't line the pins anymore. If you now know how to do it, then subscribe. View this stuff. Now this is a new key. This is our old key.